Hello everyone, my name is Venkatesh. I am going to help you today how to draw this particular diagram which I know in 1.1, so in my reference book. So okay, this is a diagram based used on lines on SolidWorks. I am going to help you do that. So let's open file or part. Open it first, open new one. Yeah, I'm going for part diagram, so after that I can extrude it. Select it, it's a new one. So first go to the tree, then you have to select a plane so that you can draw. If not, you're not going to select it. Okay, you have to select a plane, front plane, top plane or right plane. So in particular case I'm going to select front plane. Okay, then select what are we going to draw? A line. So select a line. So start drawing so that you will get a particular image, and you have to maintain, these blue lines are referring so that they are straight and 90 degrees to each other. So okay, first as a continue to draw and complete the figure. Yeah, you can give, what is this called? You can give dimension over here, but there is a fault in this thing. I'll show you. See, if I give this one, it is 96, right? I'm going to give it as 300. 300, it expanded, right? Then this is 150, 50, 50, and this should be 50, 100, 100, and this should be 100. This is 300, right? Okay, see, I'll double click here, it is 300. I double click this one, I'll give it 100. See, yeah, I changed it to 100 and I changed it. I previously fixed it at 300, but after changing the bottom, it has changed the dimension to 169. So there is a problem in this particular case. You should not give dimensions over here. For this, there is a particular tool called as smart dimensions. Okay, select this one and give dimensions to the parts where you are going to give. So this should be 300. Yeah, it is fixed now. This should be 50. It is also fixed now. This is another 50. This is 150. Did you get my point? Yeah, everything black. The diagram in which the dimensions which are black are fixed, and the diagram which is blue is not fixed. So I'll give this 100. I'll give this another 100. Okay, now this is 300, this is 150, 150, 150. All the dimensions are fixed. Did you get my point? But the diagram is still blue. Why it is still blue? Because it has no reference point. This is the center point, right? You have to fix it. Fix the diagram to the reference point. So to maintain at fixed points, I am going to give it as, what is this called, at the middle point. So it is 300 in length, 300 by 150, 300 by 230 is 50. Length is fixed. In one direction they are fixed, but in these fellows became black, but these fellows didn't become black, so we have to do that too. We did fix in x-axis, so we have to fix in y-axis as well. Y-axis, that is 75. Okay, I know you got confused at that particular point, so I'll show you how to fix it again, so you won't get confused. Okay. Let's see. Select that. That is will help you to recenter your figure. This is the icon that like my what is called as, that helps to you to fix the diagram or whatever it is. So let us delete one. So all that. So you have to select the reference plane, which is origin of our axis. Then select the line which has to be selected. This is origin and this is the line. Okay, I didn't select this. So I set dimensions, right? So now I am selecting again, and this and this. Let's give it 75. Yeah, which is 75, and the diagram is done. So go here. What is this? Control S, will get save. So you can save anywhere you want. So I'm going to desktop. There is a folder called a solid, in which I'm going to fix it as 1.1. So my diagram and everything is same. 1.1. So save it. That's done. Thank you.